After the magic, it's Princess.
Hi guys.
So we back in the kitchen. We got Chief and we got Devon cooking up. This is Sunday cooking in the Caribbean house. So we got in the menu, Chief.
Currently right now, got the festival rolling. Already got the rice and peas almost done. Over there we got the curry chicken and the brown stew.
Okay. So Devon, what are you making today?
I just finished blending up a little drink. Usually we call it the Jamaican punch. Just call it that.
So it's one of the top drinks in Jamaica. It's good for your back. You know what I mean? Hold on 1 second. That's right, that's where all the magic is at right there. But we'll get back to that a little bit later. So explain to the people what the festival is.
Festival is basically a dumpling with, put some condensed milk, put sugar, sweeten it up, baking powder, you know, and get it going. As you can tell I'm sweating because it's hot in here. Hot.
Alright, so what do we got after this?
Starter and finishing. This is what it's like, you know? Then afterwards we're gonna do the fish. Do some steamed fish, some fried fish.
How much more you want?
Alright, so just got the fish seasoning up.
One more after this.
So you want one set of food?
Yes, please.
Red snapper.
One more. Jamaican one.
These right now fish already fried. I'm just getting it ready to put it in the oven to saute it down with some vegetables and things. Sauce.
And go.
Now we're just basically setting it up right now, get it ready to put in the oven, steam it up. Just a little decoration.
So right now we're just at the last finishing up touches on the food right now. And yo, it looks good. We got curry goat, we got oxtail, we got fried fish, we got festival, we got rice and peas. It smells good. Man, you guys are just missing out right now. But when everything is all done, I'm gonna give you guys like an overview of everything that's been cooked. Sunday dinner. So I guess there's no oxtail, it's stew chicken. Yo, I thought it was oxtail, it looked like oxtail. Huh? It looks good there, look at it. Take another look. Look at that aroma. Ooh.
Just making a gravy right now. Just prepping, add to the sauce. Some black pepper, some garlic powder. Just a little bit of seasoning up. Some salt, not too much, control that one. Just a little bit of seasoning, all purpose if you want, or meat seasoning with whatever you got. And some fish seasoning. Yeah. Since I ran out of pepper, just gonna add some of this pepper right here. a second of the one. Just a hint of brown sugar. Good flavor. Just finished sauteing this down now. I'm just gonna add it to the fish. That's it basically.
Okay, Devon, explain to us what you made right here.
Stop the.
You explain the wrong
Let's go.
Hold on, sorry. Wait.
Let's go. We're not cutting anything right now.
Of course we are.
All right.
Okay, so this is what we call Trongba. What's in it? I put some Dragon Stout, which is our Jamaican beer. It's like a really dark stout, high percentage. Along with that, we also put some nutriment, a couple bottles of that, also some supplegen as well, to sweeten it up a little bit, to take the alcohol taste out of it. We have some condensed milk, a teaspoon of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you grated some nutmeg on top of it just to give it that rich flavor and that aroma, which brings it up. If you're real yardie Jamaican, you know where the nutmeg comes from. And also we add some oats and some raw peanuts. So the oats and the raw peanut, you have to put it in a blender, blend it up real smooth. You don't want it too chunky or else you're making porridge. And then honestly, you just mix it up, put it in the fridge, let it cool for a bit, then you could serve it.
Alright, this is where everything comes to an end. And time to get it eaten on. So, first of all, let's go right here with the dessert section. It's right here, original from Jamaica, rum and raisin ice cream. And you got the grape nuts. These are my two favorite ice cream of life. These are the cheese right here, special cheese for the bun. You know, at Easter time, that's how we eat. And over here you have the brown stewed chicken. And got the curry chicken on this side. Go over here, rice and peas. Pretty expandable. Okay. We got the fried fish right here with some sauteed vegetables. And still wrapped up, but this is a sweet potato. You just put them in the oven. And got some festival right here from scratch. And the big finale, the fish, stew down, straight from the oven. And last but not least, this right here will make your girl pregnant in less than a joke. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so now the food is done. We're about to all sit down and have a little get together. Everyone's here. We're all gonna eat some food. So we're gonna get back. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got Asia. Say hi. Fun fact, Asia's a really good friend. She has her family cleaning company. I'm gonna put it down in the description for anyone you guys looking for house cleaning, private cleaning for Airbnbs, anything like that, commercial cleaning. She's very shy, but the link will be in the description. You guys can check it out. I'm about to try some of this food after the magic. Princess.
Hi guys.
What's going down? Everybody's here.